Hey guys, it's Brent here with BJM Motor Co. Doing a little something different today. Working on the small truck here. This is the Traxxas Xmaxx, and these things are really cool. Four-wheel drive, super fast. Does 50-some stock. Comes with an extra pinion gear. You can see in there that you could swap out, get a little more top speed, and best thing about it is they just take a beat. And I was ramping snow mounds with it this winter, and pretty hard on it. And the only damage that I've done to it so far is a little crack there on the back, which I bought some Gorilla Glue. I'm gonna super glue it so I don't split anymore, which should be okay with having the cap there. But super glue that, and other than that, I mean, it's got a few scratches here and there, but for flipping it over in 0-degree weather and smashing it, and it definitely has held up awesome. Haven't had to do any upgrades to it or anything until today. I've been dealing with a common issue. The gear, the pinion gear, keeps on backing off. The set screw in it keeps on backing off and making it to where it doesn't line up with the spur gear. So a lot of times you'll be going fine, and then it'll just sit and rev, and you have to take this apart and tighten the set screw down to the motor shaft and to make it tight again. So common fix would be factory. They used blue Loctite, it looked like, of some type. So I'm going to use the Loctite 271 thread locker red here, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. Pretty easy process. First off, you got your couple Allen wrenches here that comes with it. So first off, you got your cover here. Just use this funky looking one that they gave you with the truck. Let's see here. And you'll take this one out all the way to the right, and then you will also take this one out right here, the back one. So after you take them two out, loosen them up, just basically pull the cover back, and you'll have that there. So got the spur gear, got the pinion gear. There it is, loose. So pop this off real quick so you can see. I've already spun it around the shaft here. The shaft has a flat spot on it from factory. That's where you'll want to make sure that the set screw, you can see where it's been screwed into it several times, but you'll want to make sure that you set the pinion gear on to where the set screw tightens down to the flat spot on the shaft, or you'll never get it to stay. Just tighten it down to any of the round part of the shaft, which, as you can see, the rest of it's round. So that being said, I'm gonna take the set screw out, put red Loctite on it, get that blue off of it, and when you put it on, you'll just want to make sure that you line it up with the spur gear there to where it meshes correctly, or it'll kind of get in a bind. You can move it back and forth once you get it set on there and feel if it's going to be on a bind or if it's meshed up well. So I will put some Loctite on this and show you the rest of the video here. Alright, so here you can see it installed. You can see a little red, a bit of red in there, maybe still a little bit of blue in there as well, but got the red Loctite in there. The stuff sets up pretty quick, but I'm still going to let the thing sit for 24 hours. I got it to where it spins pretty freely, got a little bit of it in the gear there, but wipe most of it out with a brush. But as you can see, if I push it, it actually rolls pretty freely, makes a little bit of noise, always has. But want to make sure that's meshed up. Want to make sure, like I said, that set bolt right there is on the flat part of the shaft. So other than that, should be all good to go. Hopefully I don't have any more issues with it. I know the red Loctite, like I said, it's a 271 red Loctite. So continue to watch my videos, and I'll have plenty more of actually driving this beast, and of course, you know, the full-size videos of the detailing products on the trucks. Got the 17 Ford here. Be doing some work with it here soon. Now the weather's nice, and We'll have multiple videos of different cars that come into the car lot and stuff like that. But please subscribe and continue to watch my videos. Thank you.